I'm so excited to get on this slide. This is awesome. Like, I'm so ready.
Wait, can I go first?
Oh yeah, go first. Yeah,
Okay,
go
thank
ahead.
you.
Yeah. Just gotta wait till he's down. Should be good. Okay, I think he's down. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is awesome. This is awesome.
What the fuck wrong with that car, bro? What the fuck wrong with that truck, man? What the fuck is wrong with that truck, man? Why the fuck that truck driving like that, bro? You need to get your motherfucking car fit, man. This shit ugly. The fuck, it look like you going left and going right. Let's go!
Fuck.
No.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.